What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a ride into pure American luxury with one of the most iconic luxury cruisers ever built, the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. Finished in a beautiful sand color exterior with a matching sand color interior, this classic Cadillac perfectly represents the elegance, comfort, and road presence of the 1970s luxury era. The Cadillac Eldorado was more than just a car, it was a symbol of status, style, and success. During the 1970s, Cadillac was at the top of American luxury, and the Eldorado stood proudly as one of the most prestigious coupes on the road. Everything about this car feels dramatic: the enormous body, endless chrome details, ultra-soft ride quality, and massive V8 engine. In today's video, we're going to explore the stunning exterior styling, luxurious sand-colored interior, smooth cruising performance, driving experience, and collector value of this legendary Cadillac. Let's get started. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado is its unbelievable road presence. This car is huge, elegant, and impossible to ignore. In this beautiful sand color finish, the Eldorado looks classy, warm, and incredibly luxurious. At the front, Cadillac gave the Eldorado a massive chrome grille that instantly dominates attention. The quad headlights sit proudly beside the grille, while the long hood stretches endlessly ahead, creating one of the most iconic luxury car profiles ever made. The chrome bumpers are gigantic and heavily polished, reflecting the luxury styling philosophy of the 1970s. Every inch of the car feels rich and premium. From the side, the Eldorado's long coupe body looks smooth and graceful. The sand color paint enhances the flowing body lines beautifully, giving the car a soft and elegant personality. The hidden rear wheel design, signature chrome trim, and massive proportions make this Cadillac look like a rolling luxury yacht. At the rear, the vertical taillights and wide rear section continue the bold luxury design language. The overall appearance feels timeless, classy, and unmistakably Cadillac. Even today, this car turns heads everywhere because modern vehicles simply don't have this level of presence anymore. Interior. Step inside the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, and it feels like entering a luxury lounge from another era. The sand color interior perfectly complements the exterior, creating a warm and relaxing atmosphere throughout the cabin. The seats are enormous, soft, and unbelievably comfortable. Cadillac designed these seats more like luxury sofas than traditional car seats. Whether you're driving across the city or cruising on the highway, the comfort level is incredible. The dashboard is filled with elegant details including chrome accents, wood-style trim, and classic analog gauges. Every control feels large and luxurious, reflecting the premium craftsmanship Cadillac was known for during this era. The steering wheel is oversized and smooth to hold, giving the driver that classic floating luxury car feel. Thick carpeting, soft door panels, and plush seating materials make the entire cabin feel rich and welcoming. Space inside the Eldorado is massive. Front passengers enjoy endless legroom and comfort, while the wide cabin creates a truly relaxing experience. Unlike modern luxury cars filled with screens and technology, this interior focuses on comfort, atmosphere, and classic American elegance. Performance. Now let's talk about what powers this luxury giant. Under the hood, the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado comes equipped with a massive 500 cubic inch V8 engine, one of the largest production car engines ever installed in an American automobile. This enormous V8 delivers smooth and effortless power rather than aggressive sports car acceleration. The goal here is relaxed cruising with plenty of torque available at any moment. The automatic transmission shifts softly and smoothly, perfectly matching the car's luxurious personality. Press the accelerator, and the Eldorado glides forward with calm confidence accompanied by a deep classic V8 rumble. One of the most impressive things about this Cadillac is how isolated and comfortable it feels on the road. The suspension absorbs bumps beautifully, creating that famous Cadillac floating sensation that made these cars legendary. Steering is extremely light, making the massive Eldorado surprisingly easy to drive despite its size. While this car is definitely not designed for sharp corners or sporty handling, it excels at highway cruising and smooth relaxed driving. This car isn't about speed, it's about comfort, style, and effortless luxury. Driving the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado is unlike driving any modern car. The moment you sit behind the wheel and look over the endless hood, you immediately feel like you're piloting a piece of American automotive history. The ride quality is incredibly soft and smooth. Every bump feels muted, and the car almost seems to float across the road. Combined with the quiet cabin and deep V8 sound, the experience feels calm and luxurious. People constantly stare at this car because it carries a level of elegance and presence that modern vehicles rarely achieve. Everywhere you go, the Eldorado attracts attention and admiration. Driving this Cadillac encourages you to slow down, relax, and enjoy the journey. It's not about rushing, it's about cruising in style and comfort. Price and collector value. When new, the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado was considered one of the most prestigious luxury coupes in America. It represented top-level American automotive luxury and carried a premium price tag for its time. Today, the Eldorado has become a respected collector car, especially among enthusiasts who appreciate classic American luxury vehicles. Depending on condition, originality, and mileage, prices can vary significantly. Driver quality examples may range from around $15,000 to $30,000, while beautifully restored collector-grade models can exceed $50,000 or more. Special color combinations like this sand exterior with matching sand interior can make the car even more desirable because they perfectly capture the luxury style of the 1970s era. As classic Cadillac values continue to rise, well-preserved Eldorados are becoming increasingly sought after among collectors. The 1976 Cadillac Eldorado is one of the greatest examples of classic American luxury ever created. Its enormous size, elegant sand color styling, plush sand interior, and smooth V8 power create an experience that feels truly unforgettable. The Cadillac Eldorado represents a time when luxury meant comfort, chrome, soft suspension, and effortless highway cruising. It's a rolling symbol of American automotive history. Modern cars may offer more technology and efficiency, but very few can match the personality, comfort, and road presence of this legendary Cadillac. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more classic luxury and muscle car content. And let me know in the comments, would you cruise this 1976 Cadillac Eldorado today?